COVID-19 has become the talk of the town now. But why so? The reason is obvious. It is the havoc that has been caused by COVID-19 in every corner of the globe. So, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a virus strain first identified in Wuhan, Hubei Province, China, that has only spread in people since December 2019. Health experts are closely monitoring the situation because little is known about this new virus, and it has the potential to cause severe illness and pneumonia in some people. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Coronaviruses, COV, are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases, such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS-CoV, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS-CoV. Novel coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is a new strain that was discovered in 2019 and has not been previously identified in humans. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes, so it's important that you practice respiratory etiquette. At this time, there are no specific vaccines or treatments for COVID-19. However, there are ongoing clinical trials evaluating potential treatments. Coronaviruses are zoonotic, meaning they are transmitted between animals and people. Common signs of infection include respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. Now declared as a pandemic by the World Health Organization, WHO, the majority of people who contract COVID-19 suffer only mild cold-like symptoms. WHO says about 80% of people with COVID-19 recover without needing any specialist treatment. People who catch COVID-19 can be placed into 4 broad categories. The least serious are those people who are subclinical and who have the virus but have no symptoms. Next are those who get an infection in the upper respiratory tract, which means a person has a fever and a cough and maybe milder symptoms like headache or conjunctivitis. Those people with minor symptoms are still able to transmit the virus but may not be aware of it. The largest group of those who would be positive for COVID-19 and the people most likely to present to hospitals and surgeries are those who develop the same flu-like symptoms that would usually keep them off work. The fourth group develops severe illness that features pneumonia. The patients falling in the severe category have lungs that have become filled with inflammatory material, thus are unable to get enough oxygen to the bloodstream, reducing the body's ability to take on oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide.